Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Open Settings, go to System About, and read your edition and OS build. Once done, make sure you're signed in as an administrator. Updates require elevated rights. Connect to a stable network and temporarily disable any third-party antivirus to prevent conflicts. You'll also save and close active files. This avoids reboots disrupting work. Now, head to Start and type Windows Security. That's where the only reliable built-in update path starts. You're inside Windows Security. Choose Virus and Threat Protection and scroll to Protection Updates. Once you click Check for Updates, Windows queries Microsoft for the latest threat definitions and engine updates. Let the system download and install. This uses the Microsoft Update service, so don't interrupt it. If progress stalls, toggle the update settings to use Microsoft Update for other products and retry. Make sure Windows Update itself is current. Defender updates rely on a healthy update chain. You finish by confirming the Protection Updates pane shows the newest timestamp and version. That proves success. If prompted, reboot. This finalizes engine changes, and then run a quick scan to validate signatures are active. If you see errors, note any error codes and run the built-in Windows Update troubleshooter. Once done, recheck Defender updates. A common tip: temporarily set Windows Update to automatic and restart the Windows Update service. That resolves many download or installation failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.